So hello friends, welcome to my channel Aryans Electrical Hub. Today I have asked some of my friends for some Arduino challenges and they have given me some challenges. So today we are going to try to complete the challenges. Okay, so let's start. So our first dare is to make a Arduino project under 2 minutes. So I will take one Arduino and one red LED and I will connect the positive leg on the pin 13 and negative on the GND, and I will connect the data cable and other side to the computer. So the code is uploaded and the LED has started blinking. So our first challenge is completed. So our second challenge is to make a LED chaser with Arduino. I will make a detailed video on how to make this chaser later. So now I will upload the code. So I have uploaded the code and the chaser is ready. So you can see it is working. It has 3 different patterns. So our third challenge is to make a project but upload the code from mobile. So I will take one breadboard and one LED and I will connect this here like this, and now I will take one Arduino and I will connect the positive leg of the LED to pin number 9 of Arduino. Now I will take one 220 ohm resistor and I will connect it to the negative leg. And now I will attach one jumper wire from this negative resistor to the GND of Arduino. So the connections is complete. So now I have opened Arduino Droid app. Now I will write the code. So I have written the code. So now I will upload it. So the sketch is uploaded. So you can see the LED has started glowing and it is fading. I will show you in dark. So you can see the LED is glowing and fading. Then just to print subscribe on serial monitor. So for that I will write a code. So I have written the code, now I will upload it. So the code is uploaded. So now if I open serial monitor, you can see subscribe is printed over